Developmental psychology is a diverse and expansive field within psychology that studies the growth and maturation of the human mind and behavior across the lifespan. From infancy through old age, developmental psychologists investigate how and why people change over time, exploring various aspects such as cognitive skills, emotional development, social interaction, and personality formation. This branch of psychology seeks to understand how people come to perceive, understand, and act within the world and how these processes change as they age. The field has roots in the works of early pioneers like Jean Piaget, Sigmund Freud, and Erik Erikson, who proposed various theories on developmental stages. Over time, the field has expanded to include a wider range of topics such as moral and neurological development. Developmental psychology overlaps with fields like neuroscience, genetics, sociology, and anthropology, reflecting its comprehensive approach to understanding human development. A significant aspect of developmental psychology is the study of life stages, each characterized by specific psychological tasks and challenges. Theories like Piaget's stages of cognitive development and Erikson's psychological stages are foundational. This area focuses on how thinking, problem-solving, and knowledge understanding evolve throughout life. Key concepts include language acquisition, conceptual understanding, and perceptual skills. Developmental psychologists examine how individuals develop emotionally and socially. This includes the study of attachment theory, the development of self-concept, and the understanding of social roles and relationships. A central question in developmental psychology is the role of genetics, that is nature, versus environment, that is nurture, in shaping a person's development. Contemporary research often focuses on how these two factors interact. While early developmental psychology focuses primarily on childhood, modern research covers the entire lifespan, including adolescence, adulthood, and old age. Insights from developmental psychology inform educational practices and policies, emphasizing age-appropriate teaching methods and curriculum development. Understanding developmental stages helps in identifying and treating psychological disorders in children and adolescents. Research on aging, including cognitive and emotional changes in old age, is vital for supporting the mental health and well-being of the elderly. Developmental psychology provides valuable insights into effective parenting styles and family interactions, which promote healthy development. The field faces the challenge of ensuring that developmental theories and findings are applicable across different cultural, socioeconomic, and individual contexts. Advances in technology such as neuroimaging and digital data collection offer new ways to study development, but also bring new challenges and ethical considerations. In conclusion, developmental psychology provides a rich and nuanced understanding of the human lifespan, illuminating how people grow, change, and adapt from birth to old age. Its comprehensive approach, drawing on various disciplines and methodologies, makes it a vital field for addressing a range of practical issues in education, mental health, and social policy. As research continues to evolve, developmental psychology remains essential for understanding the complex journey of human development.